So my dog Malcolm is terrified of power cords and will not cross them. Hey Malcolm, do you want a treat? Come on, let's go get a treat. Malcolm, do you want a treat? Come on, let's get a treat. Malcolm, do you want a treat? Come on.
And we'll get him over to me, because you know who moved to me. And then when we give him back to you, he'll...
Here, Tim.
You want a treat? Malcolm, you want a treat? Come here. Come here. Come on. Come here.
Offer applies with enrollment and free credit score up.
Good boy.
See, now I have a power cord here too.
Malcolm, you want another treat?
Do you want a treat, Malcolm? Do you want a treat? Come on, come get the treat. Come on, do you want it? Come on. Come on, do you want a treat? Or do you want to go outside? Come on, Malcolm, let's go outside. Let's go outside. Come on, come here. Come here. Come on, it's right here. It's right here. Come on. Come on. Come on, I know you want it. Come on, come here. Malcolm, come here. Come here. Come here. Come on.